So in this video, I will try to explain what is force. We daily speak about force, but we feel unable to explain what is force. In previous topics and in previous video, I explained the term momentum and inertia. Force. I generally defined force may be defined as the external cause, that is a pull or a push, which can change the state of rest or state of motion or tries to change it. I am repeating again, the force may be defined as the external cause, that is, external cause means reason or effect, that is a pull or push which can change the state of rest or state of motion or tries to change it. Why everything tries to change it? I can throw this piece of chalk a long distance and the force applied by me on the chalk can change the state. I can make a cycle move or I can stop a moving cycle. But I can, a person or me cannot move this wall because of large inertia. Wall has large inertia. So I can try to change the state of rest of the wall but unable to that. So I routine tries to change it. The force is the external cause which can change the state of rest or state of motion or tries to change it. So this is simple definition of force, and we must try to define in our words and try to understand. Physics is not a mere collection of words. In physics we have to understand what we have read. Force. I have noticed people are confused about force. What is force? Not power. Force is a cause. When you push a table in your room, the table come state of rest has been changed. I will define later on this mathematically as well as qualitatively. So now I'll come to Newton's law of motion. So Newton's first law. Newton's first law of motion. It is also called as law of inertia. Law of inertia. Actually, when we define or state any law, we need particular words. Particular vocabulary is required. So for that, we have to be very serious while telling any law. Newton's law of motion, first law of motion or law of inertia. According to this law, a body at rest remains at rest, or a body in motion remains in motion with constant speed in straight line. In straight line means continue to move in the same direction with constant speed. And constant speed in straight line means constant velocity until and unless an unbalanced external force applied on the body. So this is the statement of first law of motion given by Newton. Newton gave these laws nearly 400 years ago, and we are unable to understand now because we are in a hurry to understand. We have to see the things with care and with the peace in mind. So, according to this law, body at rest remains at rest, body in motion remains in motion. With constant speed in a straight line until and unless an unbalanced force applied on it. So don't deviate from these words. When I ask my student state Newton first law, they generally don't tell this thing in a straight line. Because the state of, I told you, force is that cause which can change the state of motion or state of rest. The state of motion can be changed by changing the direction of motion. So direction of motion will also not change until and unless unbalanced force applied on it. Constant speed in a straight line means constant velocity. We will make over here like this also. According to this law, body at rest remains at rest, or body in motion remains in motion with constant velocity until unless unbalanced force applied on it. If I say constant velocity, it means body is not changing the magnitude and direction of velocity. So to change the magnitude and direction of velocity, we need force. And this way, Newton's first law defines the force qualitatively. Defines the force qualitatively, and is also called as law of inertia. So I hope you have got it. Please be very careful about any law which has been established by our scientist, our thinker. Don't make it your own law. In next video, I'll take Newton's second law of motion. Thank you.